Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video, and I thought I'd start off this video with just a few drone shots. I'm still learning to fly the drone, so why not? But head back for this afternoon to go hunt, and I have the AR-15 with me with a new 10-round clip, which makes it so much easier to carry. If you're going to use an AR-15, use a 10-round clip. It's not necessary to have a 30-round, but hopefully we'll either see a few deer or some hogs or whatever. And have a good hunt this afternoon. Hope y'all enjoy. It is now day 2, and I'm running back here to check on a bridge that we haven't checked on yet this year, and it's pretty much just a little bridge over a slough that goes to one of our patches, and just went back. It's not in very good shape, as you'll see in a second, so I'm going to go ahead and get some measurements. That way we are able to get some new planks and put them around it. Three feet is what we're going to need. Alright, so second day of hunting. We're back here at a different patch. This is one I haven't been to in a while. Maybe we might have some luck and we'll have a deer or two come in. Just something to watch for the afternoon, but just change it up a little bit and see if going to it on the other side of the property will help us out here. Alright, well I took that shot at the doe about 20 minutes ago, and if it runs off, a good idea is to wait about 20 minutes, let it lay down, and hopefully bleed out. Now I just gotta find a blood trail and hopefully I hit it. So far I haven't found anything yet, but I just started looking, and I'm going to check these trees right here in this high grass. That should be a little bit easier to spot blood. Well, I didn't have any blood trail to follow. For some reason, I just couldn't find any blood at all, but I did find the deer, and it's a decent sized doe. Definitely put some meat on the table. That's all I really wanted, so I'm really happy about that. Now we're just going to drag it out of the woods, put it in the four-wheeler, and we'll take it home. But that's a good hunt. I watched this deer for about 45 minutes, just trying to decide whether it was a good size or not, and I decided it was, and it'd be enough to fill our fridge up, and now I can go strictly to buck hunting for the rest of the season, so I'm pretty stoked about that. If you want a good workout, drag a few deer through the woods and through the swamp. You'll feel a lot better about yourself after that. That's awesome. I'm really happy about that. Finally got a deer this season. I can focus on buck hunting. It took a long time, but finally got one. Well, 10. I'm out of shape. Well, I was very fortunate to kill that doe this afternoon, so I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. I don't know if I'm going to go home tomorrow or if I'm going to stay up here, so this is a good stopping point for today. Hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please share, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.